Welcome back. My name is Flo, and I'm so excited to show you this new hack to automate your videos. So if you create videos that you post on your business Facebook page, I'm going to teach you how to create a prompt. All you do is insert one saying, like 5 facts about traveling, into your Google Forms, and every time you do that, it generates and posts a video with those 5 things on your Facebook. So it's really cool. It took me a while to figure it out. So what you're going to do, if you don't have a Zapier account, then it's zapier.com. Create one. You can have a free trial. It says it starts at $49 a month afterwards. So it's pretty cool to try out and see if you like it. It's probably worth it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to create a Zap. What a Zap is pretty much an automated action. So I'm going to click here, create Zap. And the first thing I'm going to do is put a trigger for the Google Forms. I'm going to type in Google Forms. Okay, so my first Google form is going to be triggers when a new form response is received. So you can go in and you can add a new response every time you want to generate a new video. You'll connect your Google Forms account. So make sure that you have a Google email. You can just sign in with that. Google Forms over here, continue. And what you're going to do is go to Google Forms. You'll log in with your Gmail account and click on blank. So you're going to start a new form, automated Facebook video. Let's put AI. You can name it whatever you want. And I'm going to put responses. So that doesn't matter as much, but you just want to write the question and just put topic, and then leave it as a short answer, and then make it required. And that's it. Now what you're going to do is you're going to send this to yourself. So if you have another email address, you're going to send it to yourself and click send, and make sure you name it. And now we go back to Zapier. And so under form, choose value, and you're going to find the one you just created. So AI automated Facebook video. So that's the one we wanted. And I'll click continue. So before I test it, we're going to go to the mail and we're going to find the email we sent ourselves, AI automated Facebook video, and we're going to fill out the form. Now this is going to be our topic. So whatever you put in here is what's going to trigger the video. So depending on what you want the video to be about, say 5 places to travel in autumn. I'm going to hit submit. Click find new records because I just submitted that afterwards. Okay, here's my response. You can see because I put 5 places to travel in autumn. So continue with that. And now the next thing you're going to do, you're going to add the second action, which is going to be ChatGPT. So you enter a response into the Google Forms, and then it goes to ChatGPT. And what you're going to do is click event, and you're going to push conversation, continue, link to your account, log into your ChatGPT account. And what you're going to do here is you want the user message to be the topic, since that was the question we asked, so click topic. And then you're going to want to make a numbered list of 5 short sentences, surround the most important words with, and then put your code for color. And then emoji should be included in each sentence. So I will copy this, put it below so that you can copy and paste it in here yourself. I'm going to change this to your helpful travel assistant. So, and you can leave everything else as it is. The rest of that doesn't matter so much. Continue. We're going to test this. Right now it's sending the conversation to ChatGPT, and then it will give us our 5 places to travel in autumn. So here you can see the results. Experience the vibrant colors in fall, where New England. Here's number 2 is European cities. Once you're done with that testing, you're going to add another Zap. And now the next step is going to be code by Zapier. So type in code by Zapier, and you want to open this up. Now this, you want to click on it and tell it to run JavaScript. Continue. For input data, you're going to type response. And the insert data from the reply. Input data response, and wherever you find your facts, you'll put that as your reply. And now what you're going to want to do is delete all the code in here. I'm going to take all this out, and I'm going to give you a code to post in here. So I'm going to paste the code I have that I'm going to share with you. And then we're going to click continue. So let's test this step. And now it's giving you each place as fact 1, fact 2, fact 3, fact 4, fact 5. Now we're going to add another Zap that's Creatomate. So add a step, and this is your next Zap. Zapier is really cool. You have over 6,000 apps that you can use with it. More people are adding every day. So we're adding Creatomate. Choose event. And we're going to say create single render. Continue. And make sure that you're logged in to your Creatomate account. So at this point, you can go to Creatomate. And you can start for free. So go to creatomate.com, click get started. and you're going to come over here to templates. And after you click on templates, you're going to click on new, and you're going to go to social media if you're creating this for Facebook. And so you can click, there's multiple ones. You can click storytelling video, 5 facts story, questions and quizzes. We're just going to go up to 5 facts story, and we want it a 9x6 vertical, and we're going to create template. So this is where you can go in. Now this automatically has a logo up here. So if you want a different logo, you can insert it up here, but I'm just going to delete the one that they have for now, because if you look, it's logo sposium. So I'm just going to right click, delete it. And then these are your videos. So if you push play, you can change what videos you want in the background. So it goes from video 1, video 2. And as you can see, the video comes and it changes. So this is a ski video. So you would probably use this for more of a skiing facts or something like that. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're just going to use it how it is. You can see here there's the intro, which will be our title, and there's fact 1, fact 2, fact 3, fact 4, fact 5, just like we have in our Zaps here under our JavaScript. So once you have that ready in Creatomate and you have everything where you want it, so you have it adjusted, if you want it in the center, you can kind of zoom through, make sure everything's where you want it. So I'm going to bring this third fact down. I kind of like them in the middle. All right, and so now I'm going to click Use Template and integrate with Zapier. I'm going to change the name of this one to Autumn. We're going to Zapier, the template. We're going to come down here, and they're loading. We have Autumn Places, which is the one we just created. And so this is where we go plug in our information. So for the intro text, we're going to use our topic from our Google. And then we're going to go down to fact 1. We're going to go to our JavaScript, where we have each of our facts. So fact 1, and then under fact 2, run by JavaScript, fact 2, then under, you just go through and connect all of your generated facts into each of the corresponding boxes. And now we're going to scroll down and click continue. And we're going to test this step. And now you can see it gave you a URL. So look where it says URL. There's a couple of them, but click the one that just says URL, copy it, right click, copy, and now paste it in your search bar, and we can go watch that video. Sometimes you have to refresh it. 5 places to travel in autumn. And there's our 5 facts. It's pretty awesome. You would just change the videos and the background to make it match, and you can make so many different zaps. So now what you're going to do is you're going to add one last step, and that's adding your Facebook pages. And you're going to connect to your account, to your business account, choose event, and we're going to put create page video. Continue, continue. Choose whichever page you want it to post with. And then you want to click the video. So now you're going to go down to the Creatomate, and you're going to click on URL because that's where your video is. And then you're going to name it with your topic. So you want to scroll down and put topic. That way it changes with every one you put in. And now I'm going to click continue. Test this step. And while I'm testing it, we'll go over to Facebook. And here's the video posted to my Facebook. 5 places to travel in autumn, the one we have earlier. Now, let's say that you want to put a whole new topic. So the only thing we have to do to create a new video, it's going to use the same background because of the way we have it. If you want to change the videos, go back to your Creatomate and edit the video in there for your template. That was our one response, 5 places to travel in autumn. But that response is our trigger. So as soon as we put a new response in there, it's going to trigger all of these again. So let's go back to our email. Let's click fill out form again. And now we're going to put a new answer. So this is going to be what the next video is going to be about. So for the next video, I'm going to put 5 places to see Christmas lights in December. Submit. And as soon as I submit that, it's going to trigger all of those apps exactly the way we did it. And so I'll just go back to my Facebook account. There's our video, 5 places to see Christmas lights in December. All I did was go back into Google Forms and submit a new response for a new topic. And every time I do, it automatically regenerates this. So you can make multiple zaps so they use different videos. So if you want to use the same video over and over and over, maybe a couple times a month, all you have to do is go in and do this. And it automatically posts it to your Facebook. It's so cool. So we go in again. Let's say 5 best ski resorts for beginners. 5 best ski resorts for beginners. Submit. And go back to Facebook, wait a few minutes, and let's just refresh it a couple times. It usually takes about 5 minutes to post. Here it is. And here it is, 5 best ski resorts for beginners. If you want to be specific, you can put in America. And just like that, every time you submit a response, it's going to create a new video and post it automatically without you doing anything. So this is really cool if you need to make posts a few times a day to get your audience up. I was so excited to learn that automation and share it with you. And at first it's a little hard, but once you get used to it, you can post so quickly, and you can make multiple zaps to create different posts with different content, different videos. But it's awesome. I'm so excited about what we're able to do with AI now, and I can't wait to learn more and share it with you and teach you guys. It's really exciting. Anyways, I will put the code that I pasted and the text from earlier. So just remember to like and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks on how to use AI in your favor. Thanks for coming.